Welcome to my YouTube channel, Optimize Your Reality, where we unravel the mysteries of self-discovery and empowerment. Today, we delve into the profound concept of I am nobody, a paradoxical journey toward discovering the true essence of your identity. At the core of I am nobody lies the liberation from societal expectations and labels. It's about shedding the masks we wear and embracing the raw authenticity of our true selves. In solitude, we find refuge from the noise of the world, a sacred space where we can connect deeply with our innermost thoughts and emotions. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery. It allows us to unravel the complexities of our minds and gain clarity on our values and aspirations. Mindfulness cultivates a state of presence and awareness, allowing us to detach from our egoic identities and connect with our true essence. Service to others transcends the ego. It is an expression of our innate humanity and interconnectedness with all beings. Vulnerability is the gateway to connection. It allows us to break down the barriers that separate us from others and foster deep, meaningful relationships. In releasing the past and surrendering to the present, we free ourselves from the burden of identity and open ourselves up to infinite possibilities. In embracing I am nobody, we awaken to the truth that our worth is not defined by external accolades or achievements, but by the inherent value of our existence. In embracing the paradox of I am nobody, we discover the freedom to be authentically ourselves, to express our truth, pursue our passions, and live with purpose and meaning. Embrace the paradox of I am nobody and unleash the boundless potential within you. Subscribe to Optimize Your Reality for more insights to help you navigate the journey of self-discovery and empowerment.